Hello viewers, having beautiful eyes with great vision and good eyesight is no doubt one of the great blessings of God. But as we age, we have a lot of eye issues, including eyesight problems or vision issues. In this video, I'm going to talk about two very basic and very common eyesight problems, and they are called hyperopia and myopia. Now, what's the difference between these both? Hyperopia means far-sightedness, in which you can see things which are a little away from you or at some distance very clearly, but it's hard for you to read or look at the objects which are nearby. So you can see things which are away from you very clearly, but things which are closer to you with a lot of efforts, and you may have difficulty or straining, and you may also have blurry vision as well. So that is called hyperopia or far-sightedness. But on the other way, on the other hand, we have myopia, and that is called near-sightedness, in which you can't see things which are away from you or at some distance, say more than 6 meters away, very clearly, but you have to look at or strain to look at those objects with some difficulty. But it's very easy for you to read or look at objects which are nearby. So that is the difference between hyperopia and myopia, far-sightedness and near-sightedness. Now, what are some of the common symptoms? So most people, they have to strain a lot, they have to squint their eyes as well, they also have to close their eyes to look at those objects. Also, especially school going children, they have to put a lot of strain, and they have a lot of difficulty looking at the whiteboards or the projector screens and things like these as well. Also, these people, they also blink a lot their eyes as well, and they get deteriorated with age. Normally this they both start in your initial age, and nowadays, because of a lot of factors like too much screening time, too much watching TV or playing on gadgets, and also not going out of your rooms in open air, these are some of the common factors for these problems as well. Sometimes these conditions, both conditions, they can run in your families as well. So it can also be inherited or genetic as well. So these are some of the signs and symptoms and some causative factors. But now we will look at some of the solutions, that how you can improve your eyesight in long term. So for both conditions, I'm going to talk about two separate remedies, which are natural and complementary remedies. And if you consider these remedies for some time, you can either sustain or maintain your eyesight, and also maybe after some time, after few months use of these medicines, you can hopefully reverse these conditions quite a lot as well. So definitely you have to have better eyesight by better eye care. You should use glasses if you need them, don't avoid them, and also do not put much strain on your eyes as well, because putting much strain can also cause visual fatigue. It can also cause rings or dark circles around your eyes as well, and with time these things get deteriorated. But I'm going to suggest some remedies which are all natural, without any side effects, and they can help. So one of the things which you can use for both conditions, whether it is hyperopia or myopia, that is for external use, and these are eye drops, and they come from German company, Dr. Wilma Schwaber, or there are many other companies, they make them as well, and that is called Cineria martimia. So you can use these eye drops, 2 drops on both eyes at least once or twice a day, and this can look after your eyes in long term, and this can improve your eyesight. It can also help with your dry eyes as well. And if you've got any minor issues with your eyes or vision, or any sort of infection in your eyes, so these are great drops to be considered for your better eyesight. Now I'm talking about two basic medicines for hyperopia, far-sightedness, in which you can see things which are away from you very clearly, but it's hard for you to look at things which are clear. So I will suggest 2 homeopathic remedies, and as you know that homeopathic remedies, they are available in drops forms, but you have to take homeopathic remedies, which I'm going to suggest in as pills. And you can I'm going to discuss the names of the medicines now, and you can put few drops and your medicine will be ready. So the 2 medicines which are normally indicated for hyperopia or far-sightedness, the first medicine is called Ruta, and you have to consider this medicine as in 30 potency. So put few drops of Ruta, as I've said, in few pills, and your medicine will be ready, and later on you can simply label it, so you know that which medicine in which bottle. So that is one of the medicines you can try. And the other medicine, that is called Silesia is in 6x potency, so you can take this medicine as in biochemic formulation as well, and you have to take these both medicines, Ruta and Silesia 6x, 4 pills up to 3 times a day, and you'll see a lot of improvement in your eyesight, especially if you're suffering from hyperopia or far-sightedness. Now I'm going to give you some help, especially for near-sightedness or myopia as well. If you have difficulty looking at objects which are away from you with efforts, but it's easy for you to read or consider things which are nearby. So the two top grade medicines in homeopathy are called, one is called Stigma, again in 30 potencies to start with, and the other medicine is called Phosphorus 30. So again, these two medicine, you have to put a few drops in a bottle, label them, and take them 3 times a day. So I hope it's clear that you can consider these two separate group of medicines for hyperopia and myopia, and you have to see that what kind of issues you're suffering from. And if you use these remedies for some time, you will feel a lot of improvement in your eyesight, and you can maintain your eyesight, and it can help reverse if there is any damage or degeneration already started with your eyes as well. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. If you need any further help, you can even consult our clinic in Birmingham. And again, there are many more remedies as well, and in homeopathy especially, we have to consider some specific peculiar signs and symptoms of the patients as well. So the medicine which I just suggested, these are first line remedies, and they can help in most cases. But if you've got any other certain peculiar signs and symptoms, any other concerns apart from your eyes, definitely you need to a qualified herbalist or homeopath before considering even any natural remedies as well. So thank you very much, and I will see you again with another video to get some more knowledge on various health issues. You take care, and bye bye.